Hello and welcome to NPG Solutions. NPG goes beyond the traditional cost management. We do this by helping clients identify costly billing errors, high carrier rates, and other things that impact the bottom line.
We're very pleased with our partnership with NPG Solutions. Our unique online cloud-based supplier management tool allows buyers to connect with suppliers, thus saving them time and money. We're very happy with our partnership with NPG Solutions, and we look forward to a long-lasting relationship.
NPG averages about 27% savings per engagement, and we find it in areas you don't expect. Just listen to what our clients say.
Our company had a lot of telecommunications needs, and they were clustered in various areas around the organization. So I asked our FE crew to try and find somebody who could help us work a more complete solution to our total telecommunications package. We were skeptical, as always. We'd been doing what we'd been doing for 20 years and viewed ourselves as reasonably successful. So they came in and worked with all of our departments to find, kind of benchmark where we were, understand what our costs really were as opposed to individual components, and we set off with them about a year ago. And since that time, we have increased our handheld units by about 15%, while we've also reduced the cost of those units, that entire unit, by an additional 15%. A roughly 700% improvement in bandwidth and internet speed at our location. Our primary wireless vendor is investing $120,000 into our building to improve service to our in-plant customers, and they negotiated that process as well. Additionally, they found $18,000 in billing errors that many of our vendors had provided us with, and sought to recover that money, which they've done. So it will be a year in May, so it's been a pretty good year, and I thank God that we found NPG Solutions. It's been a good deal, and I'm glad I found them.
One of the great things about being a community bank president is you get to wear a lot of hats. One of those is trying to find the right way to manage your technology and your circuitry and your phone lines and your data lines. And this has always been a problem for us because we do business in 5 different communities. We have several different companies we do business with, yet we're trying to take advantage of all the new and exciting technological advances so we can be competitive. Unfortunately, there's never enough time to manage that. Circuits get cast aside, people change, new sales reps, and we have always been frustrated. Plus, we always felt like we were paying way too much money for what we were getting. We were fortunate enough to receive a referral on NPG from a gentleman who's used them for many years, and it's been well worth it. They have dug in there and figured out what we shouldn't be paying for, where we could save money, brought us some advances in new technology, new data lines, new phone systems, all of which has worked out very nicely for First National Bank. In addition to having state-of-the-art technology, we've also saved a lot of money, and they continue to monitor our invoices to make sure it stays that way.
Well, I think the first step before reducing costs was to get good customer service. That was the initial impetus for us to get involved in them. Once we got the customer service level to where we wanted, then the next step was, okay, now let's see if we can lower our costs. As a customer, you don't think you have leverage. This third party is able to help with leveraging that piece. Anytime you have a customer or a vendor that comes to you, you're a bit wary. But if you go to them and say, hey, I need some help, and they step in and they're not only cordial, flexible to help with your problem, they work with you over a long period of time. We've been with them for several years. It's one of those things that once you start digging and allow them to help you kind of see what other things they have specialty in, it really does pay off in the end. Kind of surprised us. Kind of the initial plan was X, and we came up with X plus.
Contact NPG today and find out what we can do for you.